Mexico?
Right now in Mexico,
It's having a big problem.
we're having a big problem.
The first one,
The first one,
the imposition of the new president of Mexico by the media.
the imposition of the new president of Mexico by the media.
The second one,
The second one,
the drug war.
the drug war.
Getting it for the actually president. Yeah, it was the for the new. For the actual president right now.
The actual president right now,
There is 60,000
there's 60,000
persons that die in the drug war.
persons that have died in the drug war.
We don't want that to happen anymore.
We don't want that to happen anymore.
We are here.
We are here
We occupy Wall Street
to occupy Wall Street
because we are brothers.
because we are brothers.
We need to fight
We need to fight
and be united.
and be united.
Mexico,
Mexico,
United States,
United States,
we need to work together
we need to work together
to get things done.
to get things done.
We don't want more on democracy.
We don't want more democracy.
We want a better world.
We want a better world.
We want better jobs.
We want better jobs.
We don't want no more people suffering.
We don't want no more people suffering.
Yo soy 132.
Yo soy 132.
Occupy Wall Street.
Occupy Wall Street.
Global noise.
Global noise.
Global noise. Bravo! Bravo! Bravo!
Report from Japan.
Bravo!